Sometimes you realize your family hasn't outgrown each other. You've simply outgrown the space. So they followed a quieter road into a place where the world felt a little farther away, and one very special home had been waiting. Because sometimes a front door doesn't just open into a house, it opens into everything that could happen next. There would be room for ordinary moments that somehow felt enormous. Mornings would begin around a kitchen made for gathering, with enough space for breakfast, homework, and every conversation between, and a table big enough for everyone still to come. One room might begin with the smallest dreams and keep changing right alongside them. Its true split floor plan gave everyone a place of their own, with 2 guest bedrooms ready for children, visitors, or new possibilities. And at the end of every day, a peaceful retreat made it easy to exhale. Outside, 1 full acre offered room to run, while pines, Florida hardwoods, and curious neighbors provided privacy. There would be quiet evenings, birthday wishes, changing seasons and years that always moved too quickly. And with a special opportunity through the preferred lender, the next chapter may be closer than they imagined. Your story is waiting at Spanish Trace. If you are ready to see your fairy tale, call me, Burgundy Arrington.